Okay, peeps, welcome back. So this is going to be our dividend and crypto portfolios passive income plus profits for the month of December 2023. Let's get it. So we're going to run through the numbers real quick, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the actual positions. So you guys can see on the calculators here, we got 418.65 from M1 Finance. This is just the dividends for starters. 237.58 from Robinhood, and then we also got $198.61 from Webull. Although we have not gotten paid our clip ETF dividends yet from Webull, which is weird because the ones in Robinhood showed up. But if we don't get it by tomorrow, we'll probably just email them and be like, "Hey, what the heck is going on?" It's not the first time; it's happened before, so it's probably just a simple fix. We got 566 from money market interest. This was from Fidelity. Again, Fed funds rate is extremely high, so of course the savings interest rate is going to be really good. So total monthly passive income that we got for this month, $860.50. And keep in mind that is without profits and also without getting paid dividends from Coney. So our native cryptocurrency paid us $955.10. This is actual crypto that you can buy on a crypto exchange. And our non-native crypto and also traditional stock positions, we made $2,150.46 this month. And our dividend paying stocks that we took profits on and repositioned back into, we've told you guys about this strategy before. We made $141.18, so not too shabby. For a grand total this month of $4,107.24. Obviously, roughly about 80% of that was from profits, not from dividends. Just to illustrate to you guys the power of growth. Income is great, but growth, is what makes multimillionaires, millionaires, billionaires, so on. So, anyways, with that being said, gonna go ahead and go over the actual profits themselves. So in native crypto, we made $35.39 from Dogecoin, $188.47 total from Jasmy, $204.93 from the Graph, $112.06 from IOTX, $414.25 from Scale. In terms of non-native crypto and traditional stocks, we made $673.14 from ALT, $569.80 from HZen, $893.81 from BCHG, and $1371 from Hut 8 stock, which is a small cap Bitcoin miner stock. The dividend paying stock profits that we took was from Coney, AMZ, UVV, GSBD, HRZN, OARK, and TWO. So with that out of the way, let's get into the actual dividends themselves and also the positions that we bought into recently. So we got 4 cents from PFLT, 1121 from PDI, 587 from Enbridge, 472 from Triple QY on this portfolio, 2 cents from Beto, 474 from TLTW. And we got a penny from SCHD, 6 cents from 3M, 269 from Walgreens, 331.84 from TSLY, 218 from EFC, 534 from NVDY, 278 from OARK, 99 cents from Aptly, 26 cents from HRZN. And again, I think this is a special dividend, which is 57 cents from HRZN. We got a penny from PSEC, 337 from BSTZ, 545 again. Yeah, 545 again. I'm guessing this is probably a special dividend or a partial dividend or something like that from EFC. Then 439 from RA, 334 from USOI, which is the oil futures ETF. Main Street paid us a penny. Again, Beto 2 cents and 11.53 from Riv. 614 from TLTW, which is bonds. This is a BlackRock fund, just so you all know. 1107 from OPP, that's M1. Now, the money market interest, as you guys can see here from Fidelity, was 566. In terms of our positions, now do understand that the money that we made this month was only half of our total income for the month, so we also have our active job incomes. So our total income for the month was actually pretty close to about $9,000 this month, just so you all know. But that does not include if we had also taken profit on LTCN last month. We probably would be sitting at about 17,000 total income and profit in the month of December, but we have not taken profit. We're still holding. Again, the profit target for this is somewhere between, I would say, at least 275 all the way up to $500. It could go higher. We'll just have to wait and see. So we'll get back to this in a minute. We'll get back to these crypto portfolios in a minute. So let's go on over to Robinhood. Now, if we go down here, you guys can see we got $11.19 from OARC. Clip has been kind of underperforming, but to be honest, we're still bullish on this. I mean, KWeb is sitting on a decade-long support level, so that's, in my opinion, the best time to be buying, not financial advice. But we got $102.06 from Clip here, as you guys can see in December. And Tesla, we got $30.20. Go ahead and click on Apply now. You guys can see we got $6.15 down here from Apply. Apply actually paid quite a bit more this previous month, which was nice for a change. I'm actually going to skip Coney because we did not get any dividends from them this last month. We've kind of just been buying back in at this point. So this is the GUI ETF. We got, sorry about that pop up there. So we got $5.98 from GUI. And keep going down here. So we got AMZ. We are still holding roughly about the same amount of AMZ. It hasn't really changed much. Except for the fact that you guys can see we took profit and then rebought back in here. So $5.80 from AMZ. Triple QY also paid us dividends. We're going to show you guys that here in a minute. So $45.29 from Triple QY. We did not get anything from IWMY, just so y'all know. We got $30.91 from JEPY this month. So that's all the dividends that we got paid from the Robinhood portfolio. Now onto the Webull one. So we'll go ahead and go over here to dividend records. We'll just pop this out to 3 months so y'all can see. So we got 2029 from OARC, 652 from Apply, 5680 from NVIDIA. But as you can see here, like we mentioned at the start of this video, Clip has not popped up yet, which is kind of odd because you can see that we were supposed to get paid on the 29th of last month, but it still hasn't popped up. And the holidays may have something to do with it. But I'm trying to see if I can actually find this. So it's not showing up here, but one of these Clip dividends, it shows that it paid on time, but one of them actually paid like 5 days late. So I'm assuming something similar is going to happen, but the total amount for that should have been about $115. So it's basically the share count that we have, which is 184 shares times 62.5 cents. We're not going to add that up here, but if y'all want to do that, you can do that. You'll see it's accurate. So with all that being said, the positions that we bought into after we took profit on HSIM, we bought back in. So you can see the amount that we have here, the average share price. We are back in profit once again. We do think it's going to go higher this month. We'll just have to wait and see on that, but it's looking very bullish on the charts. Follow us on X if you haven't already. We'll keep you updated with that on X. So, it's much easier for you guys to just go on there and see like, oh, here's a snapshot of what this or that is doing at any given time. We can't always keep you up to date here on videos. So we'll just try to do a combination of the two. But with that being said, you guys can see during basically pretty much what all our history here is, what we bought, what we sold, all that jazz. So in terms of what we bought on M1 Finance, I'm actually going to go back here to M1 Finance to the portfolio. So we did not buy any dividend growth stocks this month. We do have some, but we did not buy any. So we're actually wanting to get our monthly paying dividend stocks up first before we start investing into the quarterly ones. So pretty much all we bought was I would say these 4 here, we bought these 4 pretty heavily en masse. So we bought quite a bit of RIV, quite a bit of PDI, quite a bit of ACP and OPP. If you guys have not seen our buys, sells, and dividends videos that we upload weekly, go back and check those out. You'll see that we have these updated every single week. But it shows you our dividend paying stock positions. But basically, RIV, PDI, and ACP at this point are going to pay us about $20 a month each. And we kind of want to repeat that all the way down the line here to every single position that we have money in. So with that being said, nothing has been added on Webull. We're pretty much just holding at this point on Webull, not buying, not selling. And the last thing is the native crypto portfolio. The positions that we've been adding to quite a bit this month is Engine, Graph, Scale, Decentraland. We added a lot actually to Decentraland because it's been kind of underperforming the last month. A lot of cryptocurrencies have been going up, but this one hasn't really done much. Usually that's a good indication of accumulation, and it's a perfect time to buy, not financial advice. But we also bought some Jasmy as well, and we also have some Filecoin. We have, I think it's just a little over 2,000 in Filecoin. We have roughly about 285 coins right now, or tokens, whatever you want to call it. And we do still have a little bit of Ethereum here and Litecoin. This is all the Litecoin that we have in terms of actual Litecoin, but this is not all the Ethereum we have. For those of you guys that know how Ethereum works, ERC20 tokens, in order to move them from one place to another, you need Ethereum to use as gas fees to transfer the tokens that are basically made on Ethereum. So this is not all of our ETH, but it's some of it. So anyways, this is our total crypto and dividend paying stocks profits and also dividends for the month of December. We hope you all enjoyed this content. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see y'all later. Peace.